For our first topic in plane trigonometry, we have the angles. An angle is formed when two rays are joined together at a common point. So this common point is called the node or the vertex. And it is actually more famous no pagdating sa pangalan niya na vertex. The two rays are called the arms of the angle. And the angle is represented by this symbol. So mukha siyang less than na symbol pero nakatilt ng bahagya. The word angle came from the Latin word angulus meaning corner. So bakit siya tinawag na ganyan? Tignan na lang natin yung pinaka-itsura ng angles natin, no? As you can see on these different types of angle, medyo mukha naman talaga ang corner, no? Yung mga angles natin. Mga kantuhan ng dalawang lines. Basically, yun yung ating corner kasi. Now, pagdating dito kay angles, by the way, no, ito yung tinutukoy sa definition. So, yung mga nakikita nyong dalawang arrows, yan yung mga arms of the angle. At kung saan sila nag-intersect, basically, yun yung tinatawag naman nating node or vertex. While the spaces between the two rays or two arms, yun yung tinatawag nating angle. Now, for the different types of angle, actually, yung pangalan nila ay nakabase sa kung gaano kalaki yung angle sa pagitan ng dalawang arms. So, for example, dito kay acute angle. So, acute angle siya kapag yung angle between the two rays ay less than 90 degrees. Kapag exactly 90 degrees naman, so yun yung tinatawag nating right angle. Kapag yung angle is between 90 and 180, that's the obtuse. Kapag exactly 180, yan si straight. And kapag between 180 and 360, yun naman si reflex angle. Additionally, meron din tayong tinatawag na complementary angle, supplementary, and explementary. Dito muna tayo kay complementary. So, si complementary angles actually ay two angles na kapag pinag-add daw, dapat equal to 90. So, they are complementing each other to be 90 degrees. So, for example, we have theta and beta dito. Kapag pinag-add daw si theta and beta, masasabi natin na sila ay complementary kapag equal yung sum nila to 90 degrees. Pagdating naman kay supplementary, dapat yung sum ng theta and beta ay 180, while for explementary, dapat yung sum nila ay equal to 360 degrees. Now, dito no kay explementary, tinatawag din siyang conjugate. Baka yun kasi yung term na ma-meet nyo somewhere. So, pares lang siya dun sa tinutukoy natin na explementary angles.